Not live here with Dr. Kit's How To on the Internet with Abby. First, go to Employment 2 Google Classroom. Next, you're going to go to Career Research Dr. Kit Quiz Interest Inventory. Follow the link and it will take you to the website. This quiz will help you find careers that interest you. Follow the next button. Remember to be honest, it makes a difference in finding careers that interest you. Keep following the next button. Remember, there are no right or wrong answers. It's about what you like and what you don't like. Hit next when you're done answering your questions. Follow the prompts each page gives you and keep hitting next. After the quiz, it's going to give you your interest results. Go back to your Google Classroom and fill in your top 3 interest results. If you are interested in learning any more about the categories, select the light blue links and it will share the information. Now you want to think about how much training you would like to have to go into different job fields. Tap the blue links to get more information. Pick the zone that fits you best. Then wait and see what the results are, the jobs that you will be able to take into the future. Hit print if you want to save it, and hit find more careers if you want to go and find different careers that might interest you more. Hey, you just finished Dr. Kit's career quiz.